Hello and welcome to my YouTube tutorial on how to define your curls. The products I'll be using today are hair gel, growth oil, and some leave-in conditioner. I like to start my process by thoroughly washing the hair. I do this before lathering the hair oil and leave-in conditioner. After my hair has been fully moisturized, it's time to add the gel to define the curls. I start by grabbing a dollop of gel. I then grab a small section of my hair and slowly rake my hair through my fingers. As I stroke the gel into my hair, I'm also separating the hairs, which results in the hair curling. This whole process takes about 30 minutes, so to spare you from sitting through me doing my hair, I'm going to speed things up. Again, you see how I add gel, separate the hairs, and rake? And there you have it, curly hair in 3 easy steps. Add gel, separate, and rake. Thanks for watching and see you again.